Traveling is the best way to figure out who you are. You put yourself on the path of the unknown, open to new experiences and understandings. We become a summation of these moments, but these moments mean little without friendships, someone to share them with. Thank you to my friends for sharing these moments in my life.
Packing up everything, getting ready to leave, hitting the airport. We're leaving for the airport in like 30 minutes. Spent the morning just getting some B-roll for this whole entire weekend vlog. Make it look pretty, make it look good. But yeah, ready to be back in Spain tonight. Should be a chill flight.
Are you guiding?
Uh-huh.
Are you guiding?
Sure, I'll guide. I'm gonna make you look like you're important and follow you around to the camera. Like make you look like you're important now.
I think it's just like a movie.
It's just like a movie.
Give me your best impression of Malti.
Something between this level and this level, but there's nothing in between, so it looks just like a movie or something.
You know, just the ground, it just beats the cliff and there's no ending. It's like a movie.
Alright, the service of this company or?
Gold car service. Thank you for the car with the fastest horsepower and pickup speed. So we just cruised by everyone on the highways. And
Thanks for making us pay triple the price.
And my favorite part about your car was that it did not have an aux cable, so we had to listen to crappy radio all weekend. It's my favorite part about you. Gold car, thank you. How many Germans does it take to figure out a car rental return? I don't know. Oh yeah, click there, yeah. Yes, tap there, Looks good to me, yeah. It's the reality, man. Carrying on camera here, girl. They hate me, they want me in here. What are these guys doing? Bringing the cart? Is that your carry-on, bro? And we are back in Sevilla. It's an amazing weekend, a lot of fun. Really enjoyed the weekend with the guys and just got to relax a little bit, do something different, switch up the weekend pace. But it's good to be back home. It's always nice to be back home. Thank you guys for watching. This has been another episode of Madison the Guy. My name is Madison, of course, wherever you are, wherever you're from. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Catch you later. Peace. Shit, boys.